Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking through a topic which on the surface may seem unimportant and very simple, but actually plays a larger role in your trading than you may originally think. Before we get into the video, I wanted to let you know I have a free trading course that you can join right now. It's a 13-part video series which is going to show you risk management, technical analysis, and trading psychology. If you want to open your eyes to a new perspective of the market, then head over to the link in the description, sign up for this, and you'll get the free course sent straight to your inbox. The topic for today is which method of trading is right for you, day trading or swing trading. Before we even get into the different types of trading, why is it important to actually define your style? Well, finding your specialty is going to help you stay streamlined in your processes. A lot of traders are all over the place. They take low time frame trades, take high time frame trades, which is okay, but most of them do it without a system, without a method, and without a step-by-step plan, which brings in a lot of stress and brings in a lot of chaos into their trading that doesn't need to be there. So if you can decide what your specialty is and what your method of working is, you can actually cut out a lot of confusion and stay in line with your strength. Well, the three major options are, first of all, obviously pure swing trading. Second of all, day trading. Third of all, both. Now, obviously, I'm saying here it's important to choose your specialty, but then you can see I have an option for both. Well, does that make sense? It actually does, because it's okay to trade both as long as you know what your strengths are and how you're actually going to schedule that. Each one of these methods has different pros and cons. So let's take a look at some of them now. So first of all, the benefits of swing trading are obviously that it's more laid back. If you're not having to execute trades every single day and you don't have to be at the charts between a specific trading session, you're going to have a more laid back career because you can do your analysis, say at the start of the day, at the start of the week, set those trades, and then go and live your life. Swing trading can also be a little bit less stressful day to day because you're going to be spending less time on the charts, therefore taking less trades and taking less losses, right? You may also take less wins, but taking losses can have an effect on your psychology that's going to bring more stress into trading than lower frequency swing trading will provide. Some of the downsides of swing trading is that it's less organized. You don't really have a set time that you need to be trading. You may be executing positions in the middle of the night, whereas a day trader is going to be keeping things very streamlined, trading their specific session, or just trading within the day. Another downside is that you're going to make slower profits. Where a day trader can jump into the markets and make 4R in a day, 4% in a day, you might have to wait a week for that 4% to come around. You may have to wait 2 weeks. You may have to wait 3 weeks. Sometimes you're going to have a trade that runs large into profit and then turns around. And that's going to be a few weeks where you're not making money, or you're only making a small amount. So profits are slower for swing traders. Now over to day trading then. Day traders have the benefit of quick trade. They don't have to spend days or weeks in a trade. Sometimes you can be in a trade for mere minutes. The profits are a lot faster as well for day traders. If you take a trade, for example, I took a day trade myself where I pulled in 4% in 11 minutes. Now 4% from a swing trade where I'm risking 1% may take a week to actually formulate, okay? But that was 11 minutes and the profit was collected. Everything is a lot more organized for a day trader as well. They have set hours to, wake up, do journaling, do prep, and then trade a specific session. So it's quite an organized schedule for day traders and for those who choose day trading as their specialty. Whereas swing traders aren't really getting that day-to-day stress because they're not in the markets constantly fighting, constantly battling, taking more losses, and having the anxiety of being in multiple fast-moving positions. Day traders do have all that. Due to the increased frequency of trades, of wins, and of losses, day traders are more prone to spikes in emotion, whether that's positive or negative emotion. Even positive emotions can affect your trading decisions and cause you to make mistakes. Day traders also have less flexibility. If you want to travel and trade, day trading is going to be a little bit difficult for you because, first of all, you're day trading specific sessions. So as soon as you enter a different time zone, your schedule is completely off. As well as that, because you have to trade your specific sessions that you've specialized for, you don't really have that time each day to go and do what you want to do, right? If you want to take a holiday, you have to take a complete holiday from trading. Whereas a swing trader can take a holiday and just as easily and just as well manage and execute his positions while he's away. So day trading has the benefits of faster profits, quicker trades, and a more organized schedule, but it does come with increased day-to-day stress and a little bit less flexibility than what a swing trader is going to get. Now, obviously, option number 3 is to go with both. If you go with both, you get the best of both worlds, but you also get the worst of both worlds as well. This is obviously going to be quite stressful trying to manage swing trades and day trades together unless you organize this really, really well. But it can be done. I actually do a variety of swing trading and day trading myself. Most of the time, I'm holding swings in the background. Now then, the day trades, I can jump in and make some faster profits, but they need to be managed well and they need to be organized well. So I only do this when I'm really feeling on top of my game and feeling passionate to get into the markets that day. So what we can do now is quickly jump over to the chart and look at the differences between day trading and swing trading from a technical perspective. When it comes to actual trading and chart work, a swing trader may come over to the chart and do some high time frame analysis on the weekly, daily, or 4-hour time frames, and then just work with that when the trades are ready. So you can see, something like this would be potentially what a swing trader may put together. Right, we have a selling zone here. When the market reaches into this zone, I will look for confirmation and then I will sell with a stop loss over the zone, and I'll look to bring the price down into some of these price targets. A swing trader's analysis may be that simple. They may do, 2, 3, 4, or 5 of these, and then just await the trades to be ready. When you're trading low frequency like this as well, another thing you can do is actually risk a little bit more than day traders. I'm not saying go all in. What I'm actually saying is risk 2% on a position as opposed to what a day trader should risk at around 1% or 0.5% of their account equity. If you're taking less trades and you're trading low frequency, losses are not going to hurt you so much because they're not going to damage your psychology in the way that taking, 2, 3 large 2% losses in a day or in a couple of days would do if you were a day trader. When you're day trading, you have to take sessions into account. And basically, when you're trading, you're probably going to be trading only one of these sessions if you're a day trader, right? Because you don't want to sit at the chart 9 till 5, 9 till 6. Otherwise, you may as well just have a job. So what you may be looking at doing from a day trading perspective is first of all working out obviously what times you're going to be working in. And then you can use that as your specialty. So we can see here that we've just entered into the London session. And it's from around this point that I would actually begin looking for buys, right? Because anytime before this, I'm not going to be active on the chart. And you're going to be doing your analysis on a kind of day-to-day perspective. So as you can see, you're going to be a bit more dynamic with this. You'll mark up every single day, take trades every single day, make sure you're trading within your specified session, but you can actually make much faster profits. So let's have a look. If we were to have executed a long from this area, pointing, wherever to the upside, we can see that triggered in. We're awake now. London session is active. This is where we'll be finding our trades. And we can actually get these quick profits because whereas we may be risking 2% over a long-term period to make, 20% or so on a swing trading perspective, we will be risking around 1% here. But this is a 5.45% trade. And if we look at this timing, that's 5.4% in 2 hours and 50 minutes. So if you can repeat that a few times a week, you're looking at some very healthy profits. And I mean, 5% in a week is already a brilliant profit potential. So the considerations for day traders are you're going to be trading a lot faster paced. You're going to need a lot more chart time put in. You're going to actually have to trade within those sessions, so stick to a schedule. And as a benefit of that, you can actually make more profits and you can make faster profits than swing traders potentially can by holding out long-term positions. The final question is, what if you do both? What if you take swing trades and day trades together? Well, this is actually what I do, and I'm going to show you how I manage it and why I find it beneficial as long as I keep it well organized, which now I do. So the GBP JPY positions, I just showed you a swing trade where we were looking from a sell from this area. And then I also showed you an intraday trade where we were looking for a buy from a very scaled in area around there. Now, what I actually do myself with the swing trades and day trades is I carry out the higher time frame analysis over a weekend and give myself my swing levels, okay, my weekly levels, my daily levels, my 4-hour levels. When I have those levels, what it does is gives me areas to day trade into. If I'm aware of where I want to, sell or buy from on a swing perspective on the weekly and daily timeframes, well, then I can generally gather where I expect price to go between where it is now and where that zone is, right? So in this instance, let's say I want to sell from this point. Well, if we go to the lower timeframes, such as, the 30-minute for day trading opportunities, is from around this area where I just showed you that London session buy example, I could actually anticipate a buy from here because I'm seeing here these lower lows and lower highs coming in and actually breaking through some of this structure, moving bullish now. And when I see this demand zone down here on, the 15-minute and 10-minute timeframes and so on, I can see this as a buying opportunity to take us into that area. So what it actually does is give me targets for buys and then setups for sells, all right? And that is actually how I manage my swing trades and day trades together. I find my swing levels over a weekend, which is the best thing to do in my opinion, and then day trade through the week or take smaller swing moves through the week on the way into those larger swing targets. If you are going to swing trade and day trade, you need to be super, super organized because if you're not, you're going to run into a lot of confusion, a lot of problems, a lot of hassle, and probably a lot of losses as well. So now it's time for you to decide, are you going to specialize in day trading? Are you going to specialize in swing trading? Or are you going to build a system that accounts for both? By doing this, you can really streamline your trading and give yourself an end goal to work towards. whether it be successful day trading, successful swing trading, or a successful combination of them both. Building systems is the best way to succeed in trading, there is no doubt about that. So the faster you build a system and specialize within one system inside your trading, the faster you're going to reach success. I hope you found this video beneficial. Please drop a like on the video and subscribe if you've enjoyed this, because there's going to be many more educational videos coming out in the future. And most importantly, I hope you've collected some value from this video. So an update on the 20x program, I've got to share one of the tokens early because it's going to blow very, very soon. If you want to get on the train with that token as well as a couple of others, then head over to the link in the description and check out all the information there. You can decide if it's for you, and if it is, I look forward to making some money with you in the markets.